Assalamu friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. So today our topic is preposition. In this video I am going to explain two prepositions which are out of and to. So I have already explained four prepositions in previous two videos. The link of those videos is given in the description. If you haven't watched those videos, you can watch those videos from the description. In this video I am going to explain out of and into, right? These are also preposition according to the grammar. So in this video I am going to explain that what is out of and what is into. Is this clear? So let's come to the topic. So here we are with the topic out of and into. So the first one is out of. So let's come and let us explain it, right? That what does it mean? See, out of is a preposition. As I told you that these are preposition according to the grammar. So out of is a preposition according to the grammar. It is a preposition. Now what does it mean? See, out of means outside. Out of means outside. Is this clear? See the example. He is coming out of the car. He is coming out of the car. So what does this example mean? This example means that he is coming outside of the car. Outside of the car. Is this clear? See the second example. She is taking money out of her purse. Now what does this example mean? This example means that she is taking money outside of her purse. Outside of her purse. So the money which she is taking out of her purse, that money is inside of the purse, but she wants to take out of the take out of that money from her purse. Is this clear? Now see the note. Note says that see the differences between out of and out. Now what does what's the differences between out of and out? So let us explain it, right? See, number one, out of shows motion or movement. Out of shows motion or movement, right? Action. It is used to show action. Is this clear? See the example. He is coming out of the class. He is coming out of the class, or he is going out of the class, right? He is coming or he is going out of the class. So here this out of shows it shows motion or movement, right? Because here we have verb. As I told you that it is used to show action. So he is going out of the class. So here he moved, right? Motion or movement. So he moved from his place, right? From one place to another place. Is this clear? Now see, what does out means? Out does not show motion or movement. It is the opposite of out of. Here out of shows motion or movement, and out does not show motion or movement. It doesn't show any kind of motion or movement or action. Is this clear? See the example. It is hot out. It is hot out. Now what does this example mean? This example means that it is hot outside. It is hot, or the weather is hot outside. Is this clear? So here we do not have any kind of action, right? We cannot have any kind of verb, right? Verb. So here this out doesn't show any kind of motion or movement. Is this clear? Now see another preposition which is into. Now what does into mean, or what is into, right? Into is a preposition. According to the grammar, it is a preposition. Is this clear? Now what does it mean? Into means inside, in, or within, right? It has three meaning. It has three meaning. The one is inside, another one is in, and the other one is within. Is this clear? Now see, it has also gotten a note, right? So what does it say? It says, see the differences between into and in. Now it shows us that what is the differentiate between into and in. Is this clear? So we are going to explain them, right? Or the differentiate between them. So see, the first one is into. Into shows motion and movement, just like out of, right? Here out of shows motion and movement, and here into shows motion and movement. Is this clear? See the example. He jumped into the river, or into river. So here we have verb. It shows action. As I told you, motion and movement means action, right? To move from one place to another place. Is this clear? So he moved, or he jumped into river. He jumped into river. So you know he moved from his place. He moved from one place to another place. Is this clear? See, now what does in says? In says that you know in does not show motion or movement, just like out of. You know here out of doesn't show any kind of motion or movement, and here in doesn't show any kind of motion or movement, or it does not show any kind of action as well. Is this clear? See the example of in. Ahmed is sitting in the class. Ahmed is sitting in the class. So here we do not have any kind of motion, right? This in shows no action, no motion or no movement, because you know Ahmed is sitting in the class. He is already in the class and is sitting in the class. He is not moving from his place. He is not moving from his place. So then we can use in. Whenever a person moves from one place to another place, then we use into. But if a person stays at one place, then we have to use in. Just like Ahmed is sitting in the class. Is this clear, guys? So this was the end of video. Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. Thank you so much.